Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to discuss some questions on phrase replacement. This lecture is brought to you by team Jindal.in. So let's move on to our first question. What exactly is phrase replacement? In phrase replacement, we're given a sentence wherein a phrase has been marked in bold and we have to decide if that bold part is correct or incorrect. And if it's incorrect, then we have to choose an option among these four which will fit in the sentence contextually and grammatically. And if it's correct, then we simply have to choose option number 5, which says no change required. So, the first sentence says the boycott by labor unions on attending to work have been lifted temporarily. This sentence makes sense contextually, but there is a major grammatical error here. The subject in this verb is not labor union. The subject in this verb is the boycott. So the verb needs to agree with the subject, the boycott, which is singular. So the correct verb should have been has been lifted temporarily because the subject is singular. So the verb needs to agree with the subject. So the correct sentence would have been the boycott by labor unions on attending to work has been lifted temporarily. Do we have this in our options? We do at option number 4. So the correct answer would be option number 4. Let's move on to our next question. This says a committee comprising eminent members from various technical institutions was set up. Although this sentence is grammatically correct, the use of the word eminent is wrong here. Eminent means something bad which is likely to happen very soon. For example, the death of her ailing grandmother is imminent. So here, imminent does not make any sense. But there is a word which sounds very similar to imminent, that is eminent, which means famous and respected, which would make complete sense here. A committee comprising eminent members from various technical institutions was set up. Do we have this in our options? We do at option number 3. So the correct answer would be option number 3.